A mural, wallpaper, or maybe modern UV printing? Which wall decoration methods are actually worth adding to your portfolio? And which ones bring more headaches than profit? Every technique has its own character. One offers unmatched artistic flair, another provides speed, and some offer extreme durability. Choosing the right method today is a decision that affects not just your workflow, but your entire profit margin and earnings. Hi, I'm Rafa from Wallpapers. Today we're analyzing 6 popular wall decoration methods to see how they perform in terms of implementation, durability, and how they handle demanding professional spaces. Let's get started. Let's start with the technique that usually gets the most respect, the classic mural. This is pure art brought onto a wall, and I have to admit, in terms of prestige, it's hard to beat. If a brand is looking for something truly one of a kind, this is the way to go. However, from a business owner's perspective, making murals a permanent part of your offer is a massive operational challenge. While the financing is relatively simple, because you mostly rely on client deposits and don't need to invest in equipment, the reality isn't always so great. The biggest hurdle is that you have to hire a highly skilled artist. There aren't that many professional muralists out there, so finding the right person can be a struggle. Plus, you have to be prepared to pay an artist significantly more than a standard member of your crew. This also creates a huge risk. You are essentially tethering your entire schedule to one person. If they get sick or simply don't show up to the site, your project grinds to a halt because no one else can step in and replicate their work. When it comes to the work itself, the process is slow and impossible to scale. Then there's the durability aspect. A mural protected with varnish will last for years, but you have to be extremely careful with paint certifications, especially in buildings that follow strict standards like BREEAM or LEED. Next up, we have wallpapers, which are currently the market standard. Adding this to your services is much easier, especially if you start with an outsourcing model. In this setup, you focus on the sales and the installation, while ordering the actual prints from an external shop. It's very convenient because it doesn't require a large upfront investment in machines. That sounds good, but because the barrier to entry is so low, the competition in the wallpaper market is fierce. Often, the only way to win a client is by offering the lowest price, which seriously cuts into your profits. There are also significant technical and safety requirements. The wall under the wallpaper must be perfectly smooth. If the surface isn't absolutely flawless, every single bump will be visible, especially under modern office lighting. This makes the installation process quite stressful. It usually requires at least 2 very precise people working together to make sure everything lines up perfectly. In public spaces like hotels or hospitals, every wallpaper must have a valid fire safety certificate. Without this, the building might not pass inspection, meaning all your hard work could be wasted and you'd be stuck with the cost of removing it all. Another challenge, especially in new construction, is building settlement. During the first few years, every new building shifts slightly. As the walls settle, those micro movements can cause the seams between the wallpaper panels to pull apart, creating ugly gaps that are impossible to hide. An alternative that solves the problem of those annoying seams and peeling corners is direct UV wall printing. This is the service for those who want consistent quality and want to avoid materials peeling off the wall. The implementation here looks quite different. Instead of hiring an artist or ordering wallpaper, you invest in your own equipment. This does require an initial investment of several £1,000s. Of course, leasing options are available so you don't have to pay everything at once. Regardless of how you fund it, the entry barrier is higher than it is for wallpaper, but it's definitely not impossible to overcome. This is actually a benefit because it means you'll face much less competition. The biggest advantage for you as a company owner is that you become independent of specialized labor. You don't need a fine artist or an experienced foreman. A short training session is all it takes for your existing team to operate the printer. The machine does the work. You just assemble it, position it, and hit start on the touchscreen. From there, the operator just needs to check in occasionally to make sure everything is running according to plan. The printer applies ink that is instantly cured by UV light, creating a hard polymer layer that is incredibly durable. It doesn't smell, it doesn't fade in the sun, and it's scrub resistant, which is vital for high traffic areas like hospitals or office corridors. Logistically, it's a very clean and quiet process, so you can even work while people are already using the building. Then we have vinyl graphics cut on a plotter. This is the go-to solution for logos and lettering that we see in almost every office. You can start doing this very cheaply by buying a small cutting machine for your company or outsourcing the cuts to another shop. Over time, you might want to handle everything yourself, but that requires a bigger investment in professional plotters, which moves you toward building your own in-house production setup. It seems simple enough, but the paint industry has set a bit of a trap for us here. Nowadays, ceramic and latex paints are very popular because they are easy to clean. Unfortunately, the same additives that repel dirt also make the wall non-adhesive for glue. This means the vinyl might start falling off after just a few days. To fix this, you either have to prime the wall with special chemicals or buy very expensive vinyl with extra strong glue. You also have to consider the labor time. While the cutting is fast, the manual work of removing the waste vinyl from inside letters can be incredibly time-consuming. If you have a complex design, your team will spend long hours on it. Finally, consider the long-term impact. If a client removes that vinyl after 3 years, there will almost always be an ugly mark left behind. This happens because the paint under the vinyl didn't fade or get dirty like the rest of the wall. It's important to warn clients about this so they aren't surprised when they have to repaint the entire room after removing the graphics. When a client wants prestige and depth, we look at 3D decor, things like slats, plaster panels, or raised logos. This is a premium service that's easiest to implement by partnering with manufacturers. Your role here is focused on consulting and, most importantly, safe installation. Safety is the keyword. With 3D decorations, you can't just stick it on. You have to choose the right adhesives and fixings that can hold the weight of the decor for years. This requires a deep dive into technical details, as mounting lightweight plywood is very different from mounting heavy metal structures. If the building shifts or vibrates and you've mounted heavy panels too rigidly, they can start to crack. So we have the same problem here as we do with wallpaper. For larger projects like mounting decorations on a ceiling, you must have a technical mounting design signed off by a structural engineer. This moves beyond simple decoration into real responsibility for making sure nothing falls on someone's head. Financially, the margins are very high because you are selling architectural elements, but you have to account for transport risks. Damaging an expensive piece of acrylic or metal while carrying it up to the 10th floor can cost you the entire profit for the job. Also keep in mind that protruding elements collect dust. In a home, it's not a big deal, but in a massive office complex, it might actually create a need for the owner to hire extra cleaning staff. The final method worth mentioning is acoustic panels. This is a brilliant business model because you aren't just selling a decoration, you're selling a solution to a problem, specifically the noise and echo issues that are so common in modern open plan offices. You don't need your own machines to start. You simply order ready-made modules with specific sound absorption ratings from a manufacturer. Your job is to design the layout and the graphics to be printed on them, and then handle the installation. Because this is a functional product, clients are often willing to pay much more than they would for simple wallpaper. They see the real-world value in improving the comfort of their team. In terms of execution, you have to be incredibly precise. Acoustic panels are rigid, so if a graphic spans across multiple panels, even a 1mm misalignment during mounting will be very obvious. You can't stretch or adjust them like you can with wallpaper. Financially, this is a very safe setup. Since it's all made to order, you only buy materials after the client pays the deposit, and your margin comes from your specialized knowledge. Doing well in this niche requires some learning. You'll need to understand how sound propagates to give professional advice. Just remember that acoustic foam is delicate. If you install it in a narrow hallway, it will get scratched or dented quickly. They work best in conference rooms and breakout zones. As you can see, all these methods have their pros, cons, and technical catches that you need to know about before you even start planning to offer them. There isn't one perfect technique for everything, but each one opens up different ways to make a profit. We have our favorite, of course, and that's wall printing. This is simply because we work with this technology every day, and we see firsthand how much easier it makes life for us and the dozens of partners who use our equipment. We chose wall printing because after years of looking at the options, we saw the most business potential there. The high margins, the speed, the lack of technical issues like wallpaper seams, and being independent of specialized labor, in our opinion, far outweigh the downsides. If this has sparked your interest and you want to learn more about how wall printing can transform your branding or finishing business, visit our website via the link in the description. We've put together all the essential info on how to implement this technology step by step and what the actual profitability looks like in practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.